आचार्य शंकराचार्य said in Updesh Sahasri 18.2-5 तस्मात् वाक्यार्थ विज्ञानात् न ऊर्ध्वे कर्म विधिर भवेत् नहीं ब्रह्मास्मि कर्तेति विरुद्धे भवतोऽध्यो. After grasping Mahavakyam, since there is no difference in Praman and Pramata, any commandment of action will not come near the knower. Therefore, karma vidhi na bhavet. What he has understood is, I am non-doer Brahman. If he does the meditation, he is a doer. A person cannot say both the statements. It is contradictory. Therefore, no injunction to action can apply after comprehension of the meaning of Tattvamasi. For there cannot be two contradictory ideas. I am Brahman and I am an agent cannot go together. Verse 226-227 says, Brahmasmi iti swavidyayam nev karteti vadite sakamo bad ityevam pramanabhas jayata shastrad brahmasmi no anyoham iti buddhir bhavedha yada yukta tadevam dhi yatha dehatma dhirati. Two contradictory notions can exist in two different minds. One person says Aham Brahmasmi, another person says Aham Kartasmi. Contradictory notions cannot coexist in the same locus. Therefore, one will have to be negated by the other. Shankara says Aham Brahmasmi will not allow Aham Kartasmi to stay. One is born out of evidence and other is born out of delusion. Just as rope is evidence based and a snake is delusion based, since they are contradictory, one will be negated by the other.
A vritti born of evidence is stronger than the vritti born of delusion. When knowledge becomes firm from the scripture that I am Brahman only and nothing else, then I am the doer, I am enjoyer, etc. is never possible. When a person goes to Karma, he gives up physical body identification and takes to the subtle body identification. Likewise, when he comes to Jnana, he gives up both the subtle body and physical body identification. When that identification is gone, I am the doer, I am enjoyer also goes away. This gives knowledge that you are Brahman, that is, knowledge of the self. Verse 2 to 8 says, So bhayat abhyam prapta tadartham yatitejya, so punah sabhyam gantum sutantaschet nagachati. A man who tries to be free from fear and goes to a place which is devoid of fear does not, if independent, go to such a place again which is full of fear. One has got a fear about sannyas ashram which leads to wild and uncontrolled life called yathacharam because there are no nemitic karmas that keep a restraint in normal life. There are two types of sannyasis, vividisa or mumukshu, who is trying to gain knowledge, and vidvat or mukta, who has already attained knowledge. Shankara says in both the cases, yathacharam is not possible because Yathacharam is due to raga or attachment, whereas the very basis of sannyasa ashram is vivek and vairagya. Both of them will not like to go to the worldly life, leading them to the fear and duality. Verse 18-9 says, Yathacharam prapti sannyasadi vidho kutha padarth agyan buddhasya vakyart anubhavarthina sannyasadi vidho yathacharam prapti kutha. Shankara said his mind is sufficiently occupied. He has no time to entertain such a feeling. Firstly, he knows the defects of yathacharam. Secondly, he has no time to enter into that because padartha agyan buddhasya, he has to know the meaning of tattvamasi. He is so busy in removing praman asambhavna through listening, pramey asambhavna through reflection, and viprit bhavna through meditation. Vakyartha Anubhavarthina means the one engaged in acquiring immediate knowledge.